Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to log out of all the Facebook messengers of all devices. So first of all, just go ahead and click your Facebook Messenger right here. And as you can see, you will see the interface of the chat. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the three bars at the top left, and from here I'm gonna just click next to my name, the settings here at the top right. And from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down till you find the account center or meta. And basically it's gonna open up a new window for you. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just see right here the personal details, right? And you're gonna see the account ownership and control and all that, right? And basically just click right here. You're gonna see the personal details and everything. Just get back to it, and you're gonna see password and security. And from here you're gonna see security checks. Just go ahead and just go ahead and click where you logged in and select the account if you have more than one account on Meta. So I'm gonna just click the first account, right? And you're gonna see all the devices that you logged in with your device, all right? And hit right here, select the devices to log out, and select all right here, and basically hit log out and basically confirm that you want to log out from all the selected devices. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.